Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply an overlay on top of your videos or photos on TikTok. So press the plus button here, and then you're going to upload the photo or video of your choice, then select next. Then you're going to, on the right, select edit here on the, it's like the first option. Then to add in your overlay, I'm actually just going to adjust the background a little bit. Oops. And then I'm just going to go to the tabs down here, select overlay, and select the picture or video that you want to overlay the photo or video with. You can also adjust the overlay length here, the duration. And once you're done, you're just going to press next. And then you can just upload it. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!